Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by testing for sensitivity. Once clear, part hair into sections and place 3-5 drops directly onto the scalp per 2-inch area. Use the dropper to target roots rather than hair shafts, because absorption at the follicle matters. Then, warm the oil between your palms briefly to improve spread. Make sure not to overuse, less is more. This step primes the scalp and positions the oil where Rosemary's circulation benefits will reach hair follicles directly. Once applied, use your fingertips to massage in slow, circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Pressure increases blood flow and helps the rosemary oil reach follicle bases. Alternate directions, hairline to crown, then sides to back, to ensure even absorption. If you feel discomfort, ease up. If your skin tolerates it well, schedule sessions 3 times a week. Make sure to avoid aggressive rubbing, because that can tangle hair and irritate the scalp, reducing the oil's benefit. To finish, decide whether to leave the oil 2 hours or overnight. Longer contact increases potency, so cover with a cap to protect pillows. When washing, use a gentle shampoo and focus on the scalp. Repeat lather if you feel residue, and dry thoroughly. If you experience itching, burning, or redness, rinse immediately with warm water and mild soap, then cease use and perform a full patch test later. If buildup occurs, reduce frequency and use clarifying shampoo once weekly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.